Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A03s speaker problem or low sound problem in Samsung Galaxy A03s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing speaker problem or low sound problem in Samsung A03s, so to fix this problem, first of all you just need to open settings. So first just tap on settings and then do the same as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.